Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to make up these amazing boiled dumplings. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So in a large bowl, I'm going to go in with my counter flour and then I'm going to go in with my cornmeal. And you can get your cornmeal at any local supermarket or grocery shop. I will also go in and add my salt, and of course, once I add the cornmeal, the flour and the salt, I'm just gonna combine everything together nicely because you always want to ensure that all of your ingredients is nicely combined and evenly distributed. I went ahead already and put on my pot on the stove and I added my water to it, and I also added saltfish to it as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna boil the saltfish and the dumplings together. Now, like I said, once the flour and the cornmeal and the salt is nicely combined together, you're going to go in and start adding your water. Now, I'm using room temperature water. However, when you're going to make up the dumpling to fry, you can always go ahead and use cold water. However, when you're going to boil a dumpling, you can always go ahead and use room temperature water. Very easy, very simple. I have 1 cup of water and room temperature water, like I said earlier, and of course we're gonna pour out small amount of the water until your dough comes together nicely. Please note that if your dough is a little bit soft, it is okay. You can always go ahead and add a little bit more of the flour to get rid of all of that stickiness. Once our dough comes together nicely, we're just gonna allow it to rest for a few minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and make it up and add our dumpling to the boiling water. And you always want to ensure that you add your dumpling to boiling water. All right, so all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local corner shop, and of course, you'll get most of these items there as well. So here I have my dough after I allow it to rest. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in and of course pull my dough apart. And of course you want to pull small pieces of the dough apart, and you want to ensure that it is even because you want all of your dumpling to cook all at once. So once we pull our dough apart and of course they're even, we're just going to go ahead and start roll them in a ball. So you can always go ahead and watch my hand movements. And of course, once you get it in a nice ball, you can just go ahead and just press into it until the dumpling is flat. And you want to ensure that your dumpling is flat as possible. And of course, you're going to put it in the boiling water. Like I said, you want to ensure that your dumpling is they're cooked evenly. So you always want to ensure that you pull your dough apart nicely and ensure that the dough is even. All right, so we're just going to take up small amount of the dough, like I said, and we're just going to roll it in a ball, and then we're going to press into it until it is flat, and then we're going to place it in the boiling water, and then we're just going to allow this to cook nicely. So you can always go ahead and have these amazing boiled dumpling with some saltfish, like I'm going to have it with. And you can always go ahead and have it with some curry chicken, some stewed chicken, some liver, whatever you have at home. Guys, just be creative and always be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. So once I'm finished making up all of those dumplings, of course, we're going to use our spoon, and you want to use a plastic spoon, just to combine everything together because you don't want your dumpling to stick to the pot, and then this is it, the final product. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Let me know if you can make dumpling like me. So guys, go ahead and tell your friends and your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. See you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.